Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given a question. 5 power x over 25 equal to 50, and of course you are supposed to find the value of x. Solution. And of course, as you know, we have to copy what we have 5 power x over 25, and this should be equals to 50, right? And this is what we have right here, and of course here we have 5 power x over, this should be 5 squared. This is equals to 25 times 2, right? So here we shall say 5 power x over 5 squared. This should be 5 squared times 2, and of course here you have common denominator of 1, and you shall make cross multiplication to get 5 power x equals to 5 squared times 5 squared times 2. So here we have 5 power x equals to 5 power 4 times 2. So what can we do here? At this stage we have to apply a logarithm on both sides, so that here you have logarithm of 5 power x equals to logarithm of 5 power 4 times 2. Right, so here at this stage shall say we have logarithm of 5 power x equals to logarithm of 5 power 4 plus logarithm of 2, and then here x logarithm of 5 equals to 4 logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 2. So it is easier to divide logarithm of 5 on each variable numbers that we have right here. Divide logarithm of 5 again here. So this and this should be cancelled to get x equal to, while we simplify this, we shall remain with 4 plus logarithm of, and you have to change and you say that you have 2, and this 5 should be base, right? And of course this is our value of x that we have right here. And always, as I told you, you have to check if the answer is correct. So we have to copy, as you know, 5 power x over 25 equal to 50. And of course here, what should we do? We have 5 power 4 plus logarithm of 2 to the base 5, right? And here over 25, and the answer should be equals to 50. And of course here, as you know, we have 5 power 4 times, means this plus that we have here, 5 power logarithm of 2 to the base 5, right? Then divided by 25, and this should be equals to 50. So, and of course this is 5 power 4 times, when you have same base, it means that answer should be equals to 2. Here should be equals to 2, right, and over 25, and of course here should be 50. This is 5 squared times 5 squared times 2 equals to 50, and of course you have 25, and of course this and this should be go, and we shall still remain with 25 times 5 times 2, we get 50 equals to 50 left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.